passion. I'm wild to have.
Brother, I don't need the trouble today.
Stop there for me. Orders, man. I need to hold your weapons.
I mean, it's yours.
Of course it's mine. We hooked up in Joburg a couple of months ago.
Congrats, mate.
I'm thinking it might be time to ship out.
Really? You missed the spoils.
The foot is getting
Now you have to tell me where you managed to find this thing.
Doesn't bloody matter, just drink it.
But a bottle like this you do not see it every day.
Lucky for you, all my old mates have buggered off. Now I've got nobody to share it with except the likes of you.
Boris, you are angry every day, all day long, it never ends. That is what I like about you. You mercenaries, all the same, like cheap whores, who work for anyone, even the APR, our sworn enemy.
Fine.
Ha! So you hate professors too?
Here are your stones. Just head east to the Polytech and kill Unia. Done. Do some damage. Sweet put.
Over here. Something is going on. There's a lot of movement out there. That means we have to hurry. We are doing some work with Bantuwe. He didn't tell you everything. I need you to go to the border crossing and find a telecom station. Inside there's a binder. I need it. The binder shows the location of cell phone towers in our region. Smugglers use them as landmarks. Before you kill the instructor, remember, the binder at the telecom station.
I'll call you again after you've taken care of the instructor.
Are you still out there? Come inside. Don't leave me here. No. You're not here to kill me. Oh, thank God. You scared the hell out of me. What is it you want? Ah! I'll do as you say. Please! Okay, it's done. I see you later, okay?
The plane is on its way. I'll have the package soon.